Body detox, tropical detox. Hi, welcome back to Naturel. Always remember that an excellent medicine is to laugh, so come on, laugh. And before we start, click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you do not miss on future videos. You can easily make your own remedies that are ideal for body detoxification. You will need to use purified water. You can purchase purified water in the grocery store or get it right out of your tap if you have a water purifying system in your home. If you do not have a water purifying system, you should consider getting one for your home. This can help you keep your body free from some of the impurities you get from water. Let's see this tropical detox. 1 banana. 1 cup unsweetened plain yogurt. 1/2 cup pure orange juice. 1/2 cup pure pineapple juice. Put all ingredients into a blender and then mix them. This will be more like a shake than a traditional drink, but works well to cleanse out the digestive tract as well as provide essential nutrients. This works slower than other body detoxifiers but is healthy for the colon as well as the heart and immune system. For best results, use only fresh ingredients and pure juices. Alternative, you can use 1 cup of orange juice instead of half and half of pineapple juice and orange juice. More on body detoxification. Body detoxification concentrates on cleaning out your digestive system, usually by drinking a solution that is made to clear out your intestines and give the organs in your digestive system a boost. Although it may sound like a surgical procedure, body detoxification only involves drinking and then going to the bathroom. That is all there is to the procedure. It works to make sure that your digestive system is healthy. When your digestive system is in good working order, your whole body sings. If your digestive system is not healthy, then your whole body suffers. In order to have a healthy body, you must have a healthy digestive system. But your digestive system is the catch for all of the toxins that you take into your body. Even if you are a healthy person who does not smoke, does not drink and eats only organic foods, you are still taking in toxins. They are in the air that you breathe, the water that you drink and, well, just about everywhere. These toxins linger in the body and find their way to the digestive system, a vital system that you need to maintain good health. The digestive system is comprised of organs such as the liver, pancreas, kidneys and intestines. Foods usually enter the digestive system through the stomach and are then passed for processing through the digestive tract. Some foods and drinks that you take in make the kidneys and pancreas work overtime in processing them. All of the organs in the digestive system have a job to do in order to keep your body running healthy. Once food and drink is processed in the system, it is then eliminated by way of waste. Liquids are eliminated by urine and solid waste is eliminated through the intestines as feces. In some cases, foods can end up getting stuck in the intestines. There are cases where people have had elements in their intestines for 10 years. In addition, the organs also take a beating when it comes to getting rid of toxins as well as some foods that can be difficult for these organs to process. Simple carbohydrates, for example, are very hard on the kidneys and pancreas as well as the liver as they tend to pass through quickly and make these organs work overtime. Toxins in the air that you breathe enter the system through the circulatory system that brings blood to and from the organs. When you smoke, for example, the smoke is absorbed into your bloodstream and carried throughout your body. This negatively affects the digestive system. Even second-hand smoke will take its toll. Your skin is your biggest organ, and when you take a bath or shower using chemicals as are featured in shampoo and soap, you are absorbing toxins into your skin. When you breathe in air, you take the toxins into your lungs. It is impossible to live your life toxin-free, although many people try. You are going to eventually go out and pick up germs that are in the air. Stay healthy.